Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Najia binti Muhammad Zaidi and my metric number is 273335. So here, as you can see here, they have the interface for the website, which is the electricity consumption bills calculator, and also there has the PHP. So first, for the background color of the interface, I use the golden road, as you can see here. And then next, I also include with the tables for the calculation on the electricity bills. I make the tables to make it easy for a user to know how the calculation will be made. Alright, so here this is the title for a table, which is table calculation on electricity bills, and the text is in white color. Right, and this section is classified for the table, which is there has the heading for a table, which is kilowatt use and also RM per kilowatt. So for the first columns, for the first rows here is for the first 200 kilowatt, which is it needs to be RM 0.218 per kilowatt, and for the second rows is for the next 100 kilowatt, it must be RM 0.334 per kilowatt, and then for the next remaining it needs to be RM 0.516 per kilowatt. Right, and then next, the title for the interface is electricity consumption bills in a text, in a white text. Alright, and then for the CSS for current reading, previous reading, and the two buttons here is in this section, which we can see for current reading and previous readings we use monospace font and text white, and for the border I use the round large border, and the color is yellow for the border. Alright, and then for the calculate bills and clear button, I use teal color, and then next for the statement I use if, else if, and else statement, which is I want to perform a different action for more than two different conditions, which has been shown in the table. There has more than two conditions, which is the first 200 kilowatt, next 100, and the next remaining. Alright, and then for this statement, so here I classified for the first, second, and third kilowatt, and for the if statement it is for the first 200 kilowatt, as you can see here. Alright, and then for the second kilowatt is for the else if statement in the next 100 kilowatt, so we need to minus with the 200. And then for the else statement for the third condition, which is after we minus with the 300 to get the remaining units. Alright, why we need to minus with 300? It is because the kilowatt used for the first and next is 200, and then we plus with the next kilowatt has been used, which is the 100 kilowatt. Alright, and then next is the CSS for the kilowatt use and electricity bills, which is for the kilowatt use here I make it the same as the current reading and the previous readings, and for the electricity bills I make it a little bit different, which I make the text to be shadow here, but the font type is just the same with the previous. Alright, and it is just the same for the border, which is I use the round large border with a color yellow in it. Alright, so when we run the system, for the first for current reading, when I make it 6946, and for previous reading 6641 kilowatt. Okay, and then I calculate the bills. It will shows that the kilowatt that has been used is 305, and the total of the electricity bills in RM is 79 ringgit and 58 cent, and it is just the same as the doctor answer. Alright, so that's all for me. Thank you.